Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your apartment rental agency. Okay, so the idea here is you have a business of apartment rental agency, okay, and you have recently run an advertisement on Facebook. Okay, now through that advertisement daily new leads has been generated. But the problem is, as soon as the new lead is generated through your advertisement, you have to send them the brochure. You want to send them the link of the brochure on WhatsApp. But here's the problem. If you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of your customer. Then you have to manually type a message for them individually, okay? And you have to add the link of the brochure and then send it to them on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have run an advertisement on Facebook, okay? Now, customers who have entered the advertisement, automatically a form will pop up or will be generated in front of them. They have to fill up the form, and on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, I have used two applications here. First, I have used Facebook. We have used this platform to run our advertisement. Then I have used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app, to send them the message with the link of the brochure. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together, so that whenever the customer will enter the advertisement and they will fill up the form, on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing thing. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the particular form. This is how the form will appear in front of your customer. Now we will fill up the form on behalf of our customer, and on successful form submission, they will receive a WhatsApp message. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page for you. Here the message will be reflected, okay? So we will fill up the form on behalf of our customer. Let's say our customer name is Tina Manuel, okay? I'll enter the email address tina000@gmail.com. This is the phone number and this is the PIN code. Now I'll click on next. Okay. Okay guys, I have to change this setting from US to IN. That's why it wasn't accepting our PIN code. So I'll do it fast, okay. Now I'll click on next and I'll click on submit. Okay, so we have successfully submitted the form. Now we will go to our WhatsApp webpage and we will wait for some seconds. Here the message will be automatically reflected. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel, which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in CR Property Services. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our rental apartments. This is the link. For more details, you can visit to our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards CR Property Services." Okay, so I'll click this link and I'll show it to you if the link takes us to the correct brochure. Here you can see guys, here is the name of my services, and I wanted to send this particular brochure to my customers. So now you must be thinking how I have managed to do this integration. How? Just by filling up the form, automatically I have received a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So guys, let me show you the process on my screen now. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads with the help of webhook URL. So what we're gonna do first is, we'll log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because we have run an advertisement on Facebook and now the new leads will be generated through Facebook. I want the data of that new leads. So it is important to integrate Facebook first. Now step 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now the customers will reach to our advertisement and they will fill up the form, and on successful form submission we will get the data of the leads. Now I want that same data to get transferred into Pabbly Connect, so step number 2 says the same, and step number 3 says send the same data to WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So guys, in the final step we will be sending the message with the link of the brochure to our customers on WhatsApp. But here's the twist, why we are using 360 dialog instead of WhatsApp here? Because guys, WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that you have to use another software which is the official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay, so let me show you the process now on my screen. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly, okay. As you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. Now, what we have to do, come on product and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay, and we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here an offer is going on. Don't forget to go and check. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner, you have to click this and you can create your free account in just 2 minutes guys, because I am already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, once again you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect. So come on Connect and click on access now. Okay, this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Now we have to create a workflow. So for that you can see a blue button at my right corner which says create new workflow. I'll click this and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now I'll name my workflow. You can name your workflow whatever you wish like. I'll name my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, so I have named my workflow after the applications which I am integrating today, and now I'll click on create. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, we have entered the workflow. Here you can see the name of the title which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now let me tell you the workflow which we are making today, this particular workflow, I'll add the link of the same workflow in my description box. So you can go and click on the link and you can clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check. Now guys, let's read out first what it is written here. It is written, trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action, do this, choose your next application action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this case, the trigger event will be submission of the form. We have run an advertisement on Facebook, and the customers who will enter the advertisement, they will reach to a form which they will submit, okay, which they will fill up. And on successful form submission, what response we want? We want automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to them with the link of the brochure. So you understood, trigger event is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay. Now we will choose our first application to integrate. For that you have to click here, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of me. If I'll click this arrow, I can see the trigger event, the particular trigger event. I want to choose this trigger event, new lead. So I'll choose this. And now I'll click on connect. So a mini window will emerge in front of me asking me for 2 options, add new connection and choose existing connection. I'll click on add new connection, and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay. Because my Facebook account is already logged in, so I'm successfully authorized in, as you can see on my screen. Now it is asking us to fill up 2 required fields. First it is asking us the page, and second it is asking for the lead form. If I click this arrow, you can see various pages in the drop down. Now guys, these pages are the same pages which are there in my Facebook account. Let me take you to my Facebook account first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Facebook. Okay, now if you'll go at the left corner, you can see here some options are given. Here it is written pages. So click here and you can see various pages here. Okay, now let me show you the particular page I have created for this particular workflow. Okay, so this is the particular page I have created for this particular workflow. Now guys, let me tell you one more thing. Whenever you will run a live ad, so customers will directly see the ad on this page and they will enter the page and they will reach to the particular form. Because I haven't run any live ad, I can show you the example. I can show you the form the customers will be seeing, and I can tell you how the customer will fill up the form and how we can transfer the data of the customer into Pabbly Connect account. But first we have to map this particular page in our Pabbly Connect account. So let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect account first. Okay guys, so here we have to map the particular page. So for that you have to click this arrow and you have to search for the particular page. So this is the particular page, apartment rental agency. Okay, and automatically the form which is integrated with this particular page is mapped here. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to click on save, and now I'll take you to the website Facebook for developers. Okay, where I can show you the form and I'll tell you how the customers will see the form. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how the form will appear in front of the customers. Now we will fill up the form. Okay, let's say our customer's name is Sam John. This is the email ID, samjohn000@gmail.com. This is the mobile number, and this is PIN. Now I'll click on next. Okay, this is the PIN. Now I'll click on next and I'll submit the form. So guys, I have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see if the responses has been captured there or not. Okay guys, now click on save and send test request and we will see if the responses has been captured here. Yes, you can clearly see the responses has been captured here. You can see the name of my customer, the email ID, the number and the PIN we have entered. So we have successfully done our first step. We have integrated our first application. Now we will jump to our next and final step, which is integrating 360 dialog here instead of WhatsApp. Once again guys, why we are integrating 360 dialog instead of WhatsApp here? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software, which is the official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 Dialog. So to integrate 360 Dialog, you have to come to your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 Dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And a new field of action event will emerge in front of me. Now if I'll click this arrow, I can see the various action event. I want to choose this particular action event, send template message. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. Okay, so mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. I'll click on add new connections. And now guys, it is asking me to fill two fields. First, it is asking me to fill API key and second for domain. So let's read out the description first so that we can see from where we can get the API key. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, and in domain it is written enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key example wawa.360dialog.io. So let me take you to my account on 360 Dialog first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 Dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 Dialog or how I have created my account on 360 Dialog, so for that we have created a different video and I have added the link of the video in my description box. Now guys, I have added one more link in my description box. If you'll go through that link, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 Dialog at a very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me tell you from where you can get the API key. Come to your left corner here, you can see 4 options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp accounts, okay? And here at the right corner below, you can see a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. Guys, you have to click this button and you can generate your API key along with the domain. Now let me tell you one thing, this process of generating API key is a one-time process. You don't have to do it again and again. Just once you have to generate the API key, and the same API key can be used for different workflows, okay? So when you will generate the API key, you have to copy the API key and the domain as well. Go back back to your Pabbly Connect account and you have to paste it here accordingly. Here the API key and the domain. Now you will click on save and you will be automatically authorized back to your workflow. Guys, for some security reasons, I cannot show you this process. So I'll paste my API key here and the domain here and we will directly meet in our workflow. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have been successfully authorized in. Now I have to enter the fields, the required field. The first field is asking me to fill up the template. Okay, so how I can map the template? If I'll click this arrow, you can see the various templates. Now these same templates are in my account on 360 dialog. Let me show it to you. What is a template? If I'll go back to my account on 360 dialog, now besides generate API key, you can see here it is written show details. I'll click this and here you can see 3 options are given on the top. If you'll click on templates, you can see here the various templates which I have created for different workflow. Now for this particular workflow, I have created this particular template, send brochure final. If I'll show it to you. So guys, template is nothing but just the body of SMS which we will send to our customer. Let me read out the body of SMS which I have written. Hello, thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. Now, you people must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes? So, guys, these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customers. Let me show you an example. Okay. If in body field 1, I'll enter the name of my customer, you can see automatically the variable has changed to its original value. Same goes with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is just for an example. I'm showing it to you how the variable works. Now let me show it to you how you can create the template. If you'll go up, okay, you can see here an option for add template is given to you at the right corner. If you'll click this, the format of template will open in front of you. Now you can name your template from here. You can select the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS here. Okay. Now after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit, and you have to send the template for approval process. Now guys, the approval process is done by Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process is done within 1 day only, but don't forget to first create the template and send it for approval. Guys, without the approval process, you cannot use your template. Let me show it to you here. See, all my templates are approved so that I can use the template. Okay, without the approval, I cannot use the template. Now I have to map this particular template which I have shown it to you in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. I'll come to the template section here. I'll click this arrow and I'll search for the particular template which is send brochure final. I'll click this. Now these two fields, namespace and language code, will be automatically be filled up. You need not to do anything. Here in the language code, it is written EN. EN stands for English. If I'll go back to my account on 360 dialog, here you can see under the language section, it is written EN, EN, EN. So EN stands for English. This shows us that all our templates are in English language. So you need not to do anything with these two fields. These fields will be automatically be filled up. Now come to your next field, which is asking for the recipient mobile number. So we will map the customer's number. Now guys, what is mapping data? Let me tell you. If you click this field, automatically a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now if you click on this scroll down, you can see the responses. These responses are the same responses which we have captured above in Pabbly Connect. Now this option of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly Connect because whenever you are required to fill up the fields, okay, the required fields, you need not to go up again and again, then search for the data, copy it, come down and paste it here. Instead, you can map the data. How? You will click on this field, a scroll down will appear in front of you. Come to the responses and search for the particular value. It is asking for the mobile number, so I'll map the mobile number. Now the body fields have started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have already shown you the body fields are nothing but they are the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of the customer. In body field 1, it is showing example Heather Ali. So here we have to map the name of our customer. How? We will click on the field, a scroll down will appear, come to the responses, search for the value, the customer's name, which is Sam John, and I'll map this. Now in the body field 2, it is showing example Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here we have to write the name of our service center. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the name of my property services. Okay, so CR Property Services. Now we'll move on to body field 3, which is asking us for, in the example it is written software. So we have to enter the product here. So our product is rental apartments. Okay. Now in body field 4, in the example it is showing us a link. So guys, this link is here we have to map the link of the brochure which we want to send to our customer. So I have uploaded the brochure in my Google Drive account. Let me take you to my account on Google Drive. Okay, here you can see here, this is the particular PDF file which I have uploaded for my customers. Here you can see the name of my services. Okay, and this is the particular brochure which I want to send to my customers. Now I want to copy the link of this brochure, so I'll come to the right corner here where it is written more options. I'll click this and now I'll click on share. Okay, now here read out what it is written. Restricted, only people added can open with this link. So I'll change it to anyone on the internet with this link can view, and now I'll copy this link. I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account and simply I'll paste it here. Simple. Now in the body field 5, we have to enter the website name. So let's say our website name is www.crproperty.com. Okay. And in the body field 6, again we have to enter the name, which is CR Property Services INC. Okay, INC, correct. I'll put a comma here, and you can see we have successfully filled up all of the details here. Now guys, what we will do, we will click on save and send test request, and we will see if a WhatsApp message has been received by the customer or not. So first click on save and send test request, and we will see the responses if they are positive or not. Let it load for a second guys, please. Yes guys, you can see the responses are completely positive as there is no error it is showing. Now let me take you to my WhatsApp webpage and let me show it to you if we have received any message there or not. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Sam John. This is the particular message. Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in CR Property Services INC. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check out brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our rental apartments. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit to our website. Please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay, so mostly the link is never appear in hyperlink until you don't save the number. Thank you, regards CR Property Services. Now let me show it to you if the link opens the same brochure which I want to send to my customer. Yes guys, you can clearly see this is the same brochure which I have uploaded in my Google Drive, which I want to share it with my customers. So you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account once. Okay guys, let me tell you the workflow which we have made today. I'll add the link of the same workflow in my description box, so you can visit to my description box anytime and you can click on the link and you can clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So guys, don't forget to go and check the link. Okay. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.